Good morning, student. Welcome to the Gyan Niketan Girls School. Student, in the last class, we had discussed about the structure of the atmosphere. In that, we had already discussed about troposphere, stratosphere, and mesosphere. But two part, that is the thermosphere and exosphere, is remaining. So yes, thermosphere means what? It is the layer which helps in radio transmission, and in thermosphere the temperature rises very rapidly with increases height, and it extends between 880 to 400 kilometer, and in fact the radio waves transmitted from earth are reflected back to the earth by this layer. Exosphere, this is the uppermost layer of atmosphere, and this layer has very thin air. Light gases like helium and hydrogen float into the space from here. Now children, we will explain about weather and climate. Weather is the day-to-day changes in the atmospheric condition of temperature, pressure, wind and rainfall in any specific area. And even you can see how many times we have heard that this anxious cricket fans speculate the fate of a one-day match. Even we imagine our body to be a radio. So what is that? Weather is what? Something that fiddles with its control norm. That means it is this hour to hour, day to day condition of the atmosphere. Even we can see weather is what is happening in the atmosphere at any particular place on the earth's surface at any specific point of time. Even the weather changes very rapidly within a very short span of time, from hour to hour or day to day. Clear? The daily occurrence of sunshine, rain, hail, snow, fog, mist, storm, wind, they all are just come under your weather. Now climate is what? It is the overall typical weather condition of an area over a long period of time. It does not change significantly in general. It is the average condition of temperature, pressure, wind and precipitation over long periods. Weather affect our day-to-day activities and even the mood. It determines what clothes we wear or what food we like to eat. Clear? And weather, even we know the weather can change dramatically from day to day. Okay, is it clear? So yes children, but when the average weather condition of a place for a long period of time represent the climate of a place. I think everyone understood that what is the difference between weather and climate through this. Yes, understood. That means weather can change dramatically from day to day, but climate means what? It is the overall typical weather condition of an area over a long period of time. So yes girls, you have to just note it down in the homework, these points, and just learn it. Okay, thank you class.